Hello, I'm Rica May Sabidor. I'm a customer service manager. I've been with the company for 5 years now. Bilang customer service manager, ang best part ng trabaho is yung makatulong sa mga concerns ng mga clients namin. Yung reason kung bakit ako na-stay is yung leadership, culture, at saka maraming opportunities for growth sa career and also sa personal. Siguro one word para ma-describe si Global Dominion, dominate, kasi I know we will dominate this 2025. Maraming nagbago, sana doon yung maraming leaders na na-promote and also maraming kaming branches na nag-open. The celebration itself, kasi 22 years na si Global Dominion. Leadership, marami talagang magagaling na leaders. Ang wish ko, sana mas marami pang matulungan na client si Global Dominion.